Bonjour mesdames et messieurs, I want to show you how you can work with my free profile pack and how to install profile in general in Lightroom. But first, what is a profile? Well, a profile comes from the world of video. We had something called lookup table. The idea in video is that we could use this file to completely change the colors. Let me show you, for example, we have this beautiful photo of Florence, and let's say that I wanted to change the greens into like a very orange color. Well, I can always go to my hue and saturation in Lightroom, and I can take my greens and try to make them yellow, and add a bit of shift a little bit my colors, maybe add a little more saturation, but I'm never gonna get really this autumn color. It's not possible. So let me undo that. However, if I go to my profile, and for example, I'm going to take this one called Daylight Autumn Strong, which is way too strong. But you see, I have a slider and I can go back and I can make them orange, or I can make very orange. I decide what I want. I am completely changing the colors, and that gives amazing possibilities. For example, look at this photo taken in Corsica of this beautiful, I've already retouched this photo, using one of my presets, but now I want to try different looks. So I created a whole bunch of virtual copy like this one, and I can go here into this free pack that I'm giving you. I can go here in this free pack and I can go like click here and go crazy. You don't even have to click. You can just go over, with your mouse, and you can see what it's going to look like. So Portrait Briefly is going to change the colors toward the blue on the flowers. Portrait Hollywood Teal doesn't really work with this photo, but again, I could click and I could go a little lower just to add a little bit of orange, or Urban Simply Yellow Blue makes everything completely dry and like almost dead, and Urban Blue Sunset makes it really pop. But I think the best of the best on this one would be this one, Daylight to Sunset Strong. So I'm actually really changing the colors to just take the photo to the next level. For example, another example here of Notre Dame, using the free preset. So I can go here, it's too crazy. Infrared is not going to work. Portrait Blue, why not? Portrait Hollywood Teal, I really love what it does, but it's too much. I'm going to click and I'm going to reduce, until I have something that I like. Or I can go completely opposite and Herbert Simple Yellow Blue. So try out the 3-pack. I also have a professional pack, but you will see it's amazing what you can do with Profile. Now, how do you install Profile? Well, it's very simple. Once you've downloaded the Profile, you have a file here called Lightroom Profile. You can go, basically you're going to get this photo search free pack. All you have to do is go to your Lightroom, Preference, you go to Preset, you go to Show Lightroom Preset folder, and that's only if you have the latest version of Adobe, 7.31 minimum. You go to the camera folder that's above the Lightroom folder, you go into Settings, and you basically just drag and drop this photo search free into the settings. I've already done it, and you restart Lightroom and you're good to go. So voila, check out my free pack. It's pretty nice. You should be able to get some really nice effect on your photo. My name is Serge Germany. I'm a French photographer living in Los Angeles, and I'm happy to give this to you to check out.